You're gonna need a pack of green tea. They sell these at Walmart and they're just a little, let me get it out of here. So you're gonna need 1 green tea bag, 1 lemon half, and 1 spoonful of honey. Step 1, you wanna start by taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and heat that up in the microwave for like 30 seconds. And after you warm that water, place the green tea bag in. Now we're gonna set this aside and let it cool. And now we're going to take the bowl that we're going to soak our nails in and take the lemon half and just squeeze it. Get all the juices out. Alright, after you've squeezed your lemon and got as much juice as possible, now get a spoonful of honey. Okay, we got our lemon juice, so let's put this spoonful of honey in. Okay, we got a lemon half, we got some honey. And now it's time for the green tea. You can go ahead and just squeeze the bag and then just remove it. And then I'm just gonna give it a little stir. It smells really good. After it's all mixed up, you can start soaking your nails. Just dive right in. You definitely want to make sure that you do not have any nail polish on so your natural nail bed can really soak up the wonderful vitamins in the natural products that we used. The method you can do is just pour some olive oil into a microwave safe bowl, just enough to where you can get, your fingers in it. And then put this in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds.
You definitely don't want to put it on a lot. So if you have like a high-powered microwave, don't put it on for more than 10 to 15 seconds because it gets hot fast. So you definitely want to just warm it. Don't get it super hot. Just get it warm.
And after it's warm, you can go ahead and soak your nails into it for like 10 to 15 minutes.
And I gotta say, I love doing that. I don't know what about just warming up olive oil, but it just moisturizes your nails and helps them grow really healthy. I don't know, it's just an awesome method. I've just recently started doing this, and I gotta say, I can see a difference, and it really moisturizes my skin.
Alright, let's take 3/4 cup of water and heat it up in the microwave. And after our water is heated up, we're gonna go ahead and take some green tea. I'm gonna sit. They come in little bags like this, and you're just gonna open them up.
And a little green tea bag, see? The classic green tea bags.
And we'll just place it right in the water.
I don't know why I forgot the name for water. We'll put the green tea bag right in the water, and we're gonna set this aside and let it cool.
You can go ahead and grab yourself a bowl that you want to soak your nails in. And then you want to go ahead and cut up 3 garlic cloves. You can use more, but I usually just use 3.
All right, we got our garlic in the bowl. Now it's time for the green tea. There we go. Stir it a little bit, maybe. And there we go. There's our garlic green tea DIY nail socks. Now all you have to do is dive right in. Just put your nails right into it.
And you can go ahead and soak your nails to 10 to 15 minutes. And you want to make sure when you're soaking your nails, you don't want to do it right before you do a manicure, because your natural nail bed can soak up some of the water and then release it after you paint your nails and then your nail polish gel. So you want to do a DIY nail soak when you're not ready to do a manicure. You probably want to do a manicure the next day. Garlic and green tea are wonderful for your nails. Garlic is one of the things that I use all the time to grow my nails long. I'm showing you right now, but every time I do my DIY nail soaks, I make sure I don't have any nail polish on so my natural nail bed can soak up all the good juices of this DIY nail soak.